I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't.
Yo, 87 Message Boy, man. We back with another video, man. Hopefully it ain't been too long since I seen y'all, man, but we back, man. We about to get back on this Cutlass. I know it's been a minute. I know some of y'all been waiting on some Cutlass content. My boy been busy, man. Hey, he just got his license today. So congratulate Car Films on getting his license today, man. So he got his license. Like I said, a lot of things been going on. So, you know, we can't do this car stuff every day, man. My boy is busy. I'm busy. You know what I'm saying? I'm a husband. I'm a dad. I'm a brother. I'm all of the above. You know what I'm saying? So this car stuff is that's after all the family stuff. But we back for a minute, man. I'm about to go and show y'all some parts we got. We hadn't installed the QA1s yet because we was waiting on some other parts. We got the brake. We got the brakes off the Blazer. And now we got the rest of the parts. So we've got new hubs in, we got new brake pads, and we got new rotors, drilled and slotted rotors. So we're gonna go ahead and do this upgrade. It won't be in this video. Y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Come back another day, and we're gonna put it all together. You know what I'm saying? Hold your horses, pump your brakes. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna happen today. But we gonna get there, man. I'm gonna just show y'all what we got going on. We've been working on the AC with the Monte Carlo. I'm waiting on some more parts. They were supposed to come today, but they didn't. They came in my area, then they shot back up north. For some reason, I don't know why USPS do that, man. They do that to y'all too? Cause they do it to me, and it's annoying. But that's just the way it go. Whatever, they'll be here tomorrow. So we're gonna get into this, man. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we dropping these videos, man. So, man, I know some of y'all like them official unboxings, but this ain't no official unboxing, man. This part came in a few days ago. These actually came a few days ago too, but either way, man, I've already opened everything up so that I can check everything out, make sure everything was everything. So like I said, this is not an official unboxing, but y'all get it. So these are the cross drill rotors. This says the right side, so this one should be the left. So left side, right side. We're gonna leave them in the bag that they in. These are the rotors for a 98 to 04. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, and if I am wrong, I'll put it in the description or a comment or something like that. But I think it's 98 to 04 Blazer. That's the upgrade that we do. I always get mixed up with all these different vehicles and different parts and stuff. So that's the cross drill rotors. All this came in a kit together. These are new brake pads, ceramic brake pads in the packaging. With the clips, we got us some brake grease. We'll put that on there. These here are, and I'll put the link in the description. Don't worry about me not giving you a part number or nothing like that. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Don't worry. All right, so these are the hubs. These are the wheel hubs for both sides. This is definitely an upgrade. Let's see if I can get this out of here. These are the hubs. Those are in these two white boxes. You don't need this sensor because it ain't nowhere to hook it up at. So just cut it off. That's all. Something that a lot of people always ask about is this gasket right here. Yes, there's a gasket that comes on it that belongs on there. And you gotta torque this hub down. So same thing in here, but I'll open it up for you anyway. Where we at? Boy, it's like 10 o'clock at night, man, and I'm sweating, man. Still leaking out here. Still hot as I don't know what outside. This is the other hub. Ain't no use of me taking out the box. Y'all know what it is. I ain't got to put all this shipping stuff back either. And then this here, y'all see Detroit axle. This is for the steering linkage and all. This is, I don't know, but it came from eBay. I'm not sure. I think that's maybe just to help them pick stuff, but these are what, drag link or center link, what they call it. This is your, man, I forgot what that's called. But anyway, it's part of the steering. Idler arm. This the idler arm. You got inner and outer tie rods and sleeves. Since QA1, since we sponsored by QA1, we'll probably get QA1 sleeves. Not trying to, you know, stun or nothing like that, but they just nice, you know what I'm saying? And we sponsor, so why not put QA1's name on our suspension part? Yes, sir. Why not put QA1 on there, man? I hadn't even made it like official yet, man. But we're gonna do this on camera right now. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to QA1. It ain't gonna be a whole lot of QA1 in this video or whatever. So I got 87 SS boy on this side. So we're gonna go to the other side. Let me get a little light. Let me get a little light, man. Let me get a little light so y'all can see what we got going on, man. Trying to do this with one hand. Y'all bear with the boy. Got a little light. So now we can kind of see what we doing. We're gonna make this fish. So I think I'm gonna put it, I think I got the other one like right down here somewhere. Let's try to line it up so it'll be straight. And we're gonna represent. We're gonna represent QA1, man. They rocking with us, we rocking with them, man. Hey, and for all your suspension needs, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there, man. Y'all hit up QA1. If you got a G body, a B body, you got a truck, they do everything, man. They do everything. Go ahead and hit them up. I'm going ahead and make this official, man. Put the stamp on it. Put that stamp on it. Yes, sir. Put that stamp on it, man. QA1 approved. But yeah, I should have been did that actually, but you know, hey, better late than never, man. I know since I got my lights on and stuff, got the door open, I know a lot of y'all was asking me about the center console and the rear speaker pods. Well, mine ain't speakers, but the rear pods and then the rear deck back there. So that's it, man. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the LEDs and the lights and stuff, but I'm gonna let y'all see it. How y'all, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all like the lights and stuff like that. I don't really use them, but that's what it looked like, man. And it's just at the push of a button right here. I can turn them on and off, man. Shout out to Team GBODY, man. I don't know if he's making consoles right now, because I get asked that all the time too, man. I don't know if he's making consoles right now, but there are other people that do make them. Just get online and find out who making what you want, or get out there and get some wood and start cutting it up. You know what I'm saying? A couple people been doing their own consoles and they've been coming out good. I've been seeing y'all, man. Shout out to my boy Q. He made his own console, man. That thing came out nice. Nice. But yeah, y'all see, I still got a mess, man. I've been riding, but I still got a mess in here. My AC lines in there and everything. Still, that's what I'm waiting on, man. That's what went back. It came to VA, well, my part of VA, and then it went back to Richmond. So now I ain't getting the parts till tomorrow. Like, it's not a big deal. I wasn't gonna get them made right now anyway, but it's just annoying to look at your tracking and you see something right down the street from you, and then it go like 2 hours north of you just to come back the next day. But it is what it is, man. That's USPS for you. But yeah, man, we got this thing officially stamped. Officially stamped, man. We still got a few more stickers. We gotta put them on. We gotta put them on Miss Pearl, on Car Film's car. We'll probably do that tomorrow. Hopefully, well, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get outside tomorrow, man. It's almost the end of the summer, so we trying to do something with them, get out of town or do something fun or something. Cause all they've been doing is working all summer, man. That's all they've been doing. But yeah, we definitely got to stamp. We definitely got to stamp Miss Pearl, man. But yeah, we gonna get these suspension parts done real soon here, man. Real soon here, we're gonna get these suspension parts done and get that car back on the ground so we can move on to other things like that. You know what I'm saying? She's still here, man. We ain't did nothing else. She's still here, man. It's slow motion over here, man. It's slow motion. It's slow motion. But I swear our shop would have had it even longer. And we still slow motion over here. But yeah, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Actually, I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna grab them spindles and stuff, and bring them in and show y'all what we're working with. I don't know if it'll be in this video or the next one, but we're gonna go ahead and clean them things up and paint them and everything. Cause we gotta get a move on, man. I feel like we moving way too slow. I gotta, you know what I'm saying, prioritize and organize my time a little bit better. Like, even if I can, you know, like I told y'all, if I can come outside for 30 minutes or, you know, 45 minutes, an hour a day, like, just take that time and do it. You know what I'm saying? So we got to make the time to make these projects move, man. So we're going to get that stuff cleaned up. Car Films might not be able to help me with it, but I might just have to surprise them, man, and just do it for them, and so we can get this thing going, man. He's still going to have his content. That's the main thing. I don't want to take away from his channel and his content. So I would like to wait on him to do things, but if I do something without him, I want to have his permission to do it without him, because this is his project. You know what I'm saying? I'm just helping him with it. So hopefully y'all can respect that and be patient and wait on these videos, man. And if you hadn't subscribed to Car Films, man, you got a Cutlass, you got a G-Body, you got any kind of old school, man, subscribe to the young boy. He's 16 years old, man, working on the old school, staying out the street, staying out of trouble, man. Subscribe to Car Films channel, man. He on IG and he on YouTube. Get over there and subscribe. He trying to get monetized, man. He has enough subscribers. He just need more watch hours. So y'all get over there and watch some videos, man, all the way through, man. Yeah, so I went on and grabbed all this stuff, these brake swap parts, so y'all can see what we're working with. These are the front. You see they dual piston. Hey, man, none of this stuff ain't gonna look like it look right now later on, man. So that's the front, right? Dual piston front disc brakes. And then rear single piston disc brakes off of a Blazer. That's what we doing. Same setup I did on my Monte Carlo. Only thing is I haven't did the rears yet. So we got front and rear, dual piston, single piston, and then we got the spindles for the front. And this is for his car. Mine already done, like I said. You gotta have those spindles in order for those dual piston calipers to work. And then we also went ahead and grabbed the rear. I I've never done the rear before. This will be my first time, but we got the backing plates that we need. Got to do a little modifications, and we're just gonna clean these up, man, and make them look good. I think he told y'all on his channel that he's gonna go, so we're gonna go black spindles, and I think he's doing yellow on the calipers. Don't quote me on that. I know he ain't had no secrets or nothing like that, but I think he said he was going yellow. So we're gonna clean these up, man. Make sure everything good to go. Oh shoot, we gotta find the caliper guide pins for these. I don't know what he did with them, but well, if we don't find them, we'll just buy some more from AutoZone. But yeah, these are the backing plates you need for the rear disc brake conversion. We're gonna call this the poor man's disc brake conversion. You know what I'm saying? I know you still spending all this money, man. We ain't got 600 plus horsepower. Don't plan on having it. We ain't racing nobody. We don't need no 6-piston wheel woods and 4-piston wheel woods and bears and all that, man. We on a budget over here, and that's where we gonna stay at. You know what I'm saying? We got other stuff going on too, so we on a budget, man. But this is the setup, man. This is the Blazer brake setup. You know, these parts, I was about to say everything you need. This is not everything you need, but these parts from the junkyard, plus the parts over that I just showed y'all, the rotors and the brake pads and the hubs. So another day, we're gonna get this cleaned up, painted up, get it all installed and on the car, and then we'll go ahead and install the QA1s, upper and lower control arms, and the coilovers. We got all that stuff. Whenever we get ready to do it, you know what I'm saying, there ain't gonna be nothing to it, man. Just put it all together and call it a day. It'll definitely be over a few videos though. But yeah, this is what we looking like, man. Rear disc, front disc, spindles, and then we got the rear backing plates. All this from the junkyard. Cheap brake upgrade. So for the front and the rear, if I'm not mistaken, so the first time he went, he paid $116. That was just for the front spindles and the calipers. And then when we went back, no, the spindles, the dual piston calipers, and the single piston calipers, he paid $116 for all of this. And then we went back to get the backing plates. It was $27 for all 4 backing plates. So that's junkyard for you, man. Less than $200, less than $150, less than $150 for this brake job. Cause even like one of these, 2 of these are mine, so that don't even count. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, just trying to give y'all an idea of how much this brake upgrade is gonna cost you. And then with the new parts here, these are the new parts that I just showed y'all. The rotors, the brake pads, and the hubs. We paid like $150 for them. So $150 plus another, you know, 140. Let's just say $150 to call it even. So $300 for a front and rear brake job, brake upgrade. $150. I mean $300. My bad. $300 for full brake upgrade. Yeah, man. You ain't gotta break the bank for this stuff, man. For one, if you're doing it yourself, that's gonna save you a lot of money. And if you ain't going out here trying to be like everybody else, because you don't know how they getting their money, or where they getting their parts from, or who they scamming to get what they got. Yeah, I said it. You don't know what they doing to get what they got, man. Don't be trying to follow up these people, man. Do your own thing and stay in your own lane, bro. That's the way I see it. Do your own thing, stay in your own lane. And that's where I'm at, and that's where I'm gonna be.